Hey everyone! For my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started using Wix. As you can see here in my dashboard, I've used Wix in the past in another class, Internet for Educators, and I've started to work on it for a portfolio that'll double not only as an exit requirement, but a final project for this class. But I really like Wix and the ability it gives you to customize a website, and so I'm going to kind of walk through what it looks like. So if I go up to Create New Site, it's going to have me choose specifically what kind of website I'm looking to create. We've learned in this class that starting with a goal in mind is going to help kind of guide the design process. So I used a portfolio kind of template, but for this demo, I'll do something different just to show different features. So if I were to create a music website, I would click music, but as you can see, there are lots of different options here to choose from. So if I click music, it's going to take me to another screen to choose how to create my website. So there's an option to start with kind of a template and different templates there. But what I really like is this artificial design interface, the ADI, which will, like it says here, ask a few questions and automatically design a website. So I'm going to click Start Now. What I like about it is that while it is doing the work for me, it's still going to create a website that looks unique to my needs as a musician in this case, but also gives me an opportunity to focus on just kind of fine tuning details instead of starting with nothing. So again, it's going to want me to customize and kind of hone in my goals. So what kind of music website do I want to create? I'm going to say I'm a DJ. And then again, not only a DJ, but it's going to have a lot of different options here to choose from. So you can see how it really is kind of honing in on what kind of website you're creating. So I'm going to say I'm a wedding and event DJ. So then I'm going to go down to next. Then it's going to ask me what features I'm looking to have within my website. So as a wedding DJ, I'm going to need a place where people can book appointments, a blog to maybe show videos and samples of my music, maybe videos of my gigs as a wedding DJ, and maybe a subscription form. So then I'm going to hit next. So then I can add my full name or stage name. So I'm going to type in DJ Tutu. And then what's cool is this is all just as an example, but if I were a wedding DJ, it'd be cool that I could sync my YouTube channel to this website, and that using Wix, this kind of setup, it's going to do it for me to kind of take that part out of it for me. But I'm going to skip this. It's going to ask for an address. Again, so I could put an address in if I needed people to find on my website how to set up appointments to talk to me. But again, I'm just going to skip this since it's just kind of a overview. I can look at my information. I could add a phone number. Something helpful here would be to link social media. So then I could link to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, so that as I'm building my brand, I have a place, thanks to Wix, where I could have people come to focus on the booking and maybe the kind of more professional side of it and less of the fun DJ music that they see and hear on other social media. So I'm going to skip that. That all looks good to me, and I'm going to click next. And again, it's not only taking that information, but then I have the opportunity to pick a theme. So I have kind of some different color options. It's going to tell me a little bit about each one. I'm going to go with serene and click here. This next step might take a moment to load. When I ran through it earlier, it did anyway. But what I like about Wix, again, is the ability to take a few different questions to then create a product that is unique, and then just needs a little more touch up. So this is the spot earlier where it was kind of slow to me, so I'm going to actually pause and I'll resume this video with my final product created thanks to Wix ADI. And there you have it. I now have a website, kind of the bones of a website thanks to Wix, where I have a spot up here where I can have people book online. I can write my blog. I have my DJ name. I have some stock photos that I'll probably swap out with pictures from an actual wedding that I've done. And then down here, an opportunity to incorporate my music and a video channel. So as you can see, Wix does a good job of starting people with a website and then giving people an opportunity to kind of customize it to make them their own. So this is one of the many reasons I'm choosing Wix for my project. If you have any questions about Wix, please let me know. Thank you for watching.